I hope you all guys doing well. It's Pranshu back with another trade recap, and I'm up around $1,000 trading Nasdaq. 4 minutes into the market open, I'm done for the day this morning. Absolutely great textbook model. The most interesting thing is, guys, I'm not the only one who caught this trade. There is a lot of people in my community who bang on this trade. I daily upload my daily buys. I help you as much as I can, guys. If you see here, right, I told before the market open, I want to see price to first sweep the sell side liquidity, then I'm expecting price to go and hunt that internal buy side liquidity, and price do the exactly same. If you didn't join my Discord, I highly recommend you to join my Discord. There are a lot of people bang on this trade, you can see right here. Okay, so let's, without wasting any time, let's jump to the charts, guys. So yeah, guys, going into the higher time frame, we just simply see that price sweep out the buy side liquidity right here. Price sweep out the buy side liquidity. Then I was zoomed in into the 4-hour time frame. Like 4 hours pretty much higher time frame for me at least. Okay, right, and you can easily just pause this video and recognizing what market is doing right here. Okay, we just sweep out the buy side liquidity, and first thing, the foundation of the trading, foundation of my trading is what is being respected and what is being disrespected. You can easily predict the market, what, where next move. Okay, like, okay, just replay this session right here. Holy wait a second, guys. You can easily predict the market. Okay, what is being respected, what is being disrespected. After sweeping that external buy side liquidity, we just ended up ran through that bullish inefficiency, which means price is no longer interested in the bias. Okay, like nothing in the trading. You guys make so much overcomplicated into daily bias. Oh, why market is supposed to go? Just simply looking for what is being respected, what is being disrespected. If price disrespect bullish inefficiency, which show okay, price is no longer interested in the buy. What next thing I should do? Okay, I just waiting for mark out my next drawn liquidity levels, which is all this low resistance liquidity run. What we ended up doing, we are just generating sell side, just generating sell side, just generating sell side, just generating sell side. Okay, and even on the daily time frame, what we ended up doing, we just completed this market maker buy model right from here. And if we completed the market maker buy model and just shift in the order flow, which ran through bullish inefficiency, then I'm expecting price to slowly rebalance back into the equilibrium and hunt that all generated sell side liquidity, which we ended up generated since the December 1st of December. Okay, yeah, that's what higher time frame perspective looked like. But yeah, then I was like, okay, we just ran through very bullish inefficiency, give displacement for the sell side liquidity, for the sell side. I think, okay, here's the market. And right at this time, I was like, okay, what we ended up doing, we just ran through bullish inefficiency and we respecting bearish inefficiency. Nothing more than that. Trading is actually so much freaking easy. Like, what is being respected, what is being disrespected, nothing more than that. Okay, we just, what we ended up doing right here, we came up, rebalance back to equilibrium, rebalance back to inefficiency, and then we again going to 100 sell side liquidity, which we ended up creating last night. Okay, this sell side, just marked out my Fibonacci right here. Okay, we just rebalance back to equilibrium, we just rebalance back to inefficiency. Okay, my bias is completely bearish, guys, bearish. And then if I'm seeing like here, okay, inside that 4 inefficiency, what we ended up doing, we just hunt liquidity. Actually, 4 reasons why market move. Actually, guys, actually, if you watch my videos, guys, in every videos I am doing the same shit right here. Okay, only 4 reasons why market move: hunt liquidity, generate liquidity, rebalance to equilibrium, rebalance to inefficiency. We came down, we just generating this sell side liquidity right here. We bought up just to rebalance back to inefficiency, which we ended up creating on the 4 hour. Okay, we just rebalance back to equilibrium of the range. What we ended up doing right here, we hunt that buy side liquidity. Okay, buy side liquidity, then where my next draw on liquidity, opposing buy side or sell side liquidity trend is completely bearish. So what my next draw on liquidity to be this sell side liquidity. Okay, this sell side liquidity, though, I just again marked out this sell side of the curve right here. This sell side of the curve, and okay, this sell side of the curve. So again, guys, I just told you right before, guys, if we completed the market maker buy model, sell model, then what I'm expecting price to slowly rebalance back to equilibrium and going target that internal buy side or sell side liquidity, which we ended up generating. Guys, market is completely fractal. What we like on the 4 hour, let me show you the same thing which I'm telling you right here. Okay, We just completed the buy side of the curve, so and we are just generating internal sell side liquidity. So I'm expecting if we sweep out the buy side liquidity which is ran through bullish inefficiency, then I'm going to target all that sell side liquidity, same shit on the higher time frame. Okay, get my point. Completed market maker buy model, then we expect price to rebalance back to equilibrium. Okay, same thing. And although we are generating liquidities, that's the reason for price to move to 100 sell side liquidity. I was zoomed in into the 15 minute. uh okay, let me recap the session. I was zoomed in into the 15 minute and I was like, what we ended up doing, we are just generating buy side, this buy side, this buy side, this buy side. Even though on the 5 minute, I was like, this is completely low resistance liquidity run. We don't have significant high. This all this buy side liquidity, all this buy side liquidity, actually all this buy side liquidity. I was like, okay, if we market open, if we go down to 100 sell side liquidity, completed the market maker sell model right here, sell side of the curve, then I'm expecting price to again rebalance back to equilibrium of this whole range. Okay, equilibrium of the whole range, and target all that generated buy sell liquidity which we ended up creating in the overnight session, in the pre-market session, whatever you call. Okay, what we doing right here? Generate liquidity, generate liquidity, generate liquidity. Okay, market going to open in 1 minute. Market open, I didn't touch the market. Okay, what we ended up doing, we just generating equal highs right here, guys. I'm telling you 1,000 times in my every video, equal highs and lows is were like magnet for the price, guys. To being profitable trader, you don't need to catch all that long RR move that's just flexing on the internet, guys. Just flexing on the internet. Oh, I could just risk 1% and make 10%. That's maybe work for someone, but not for me. I just want piece of pie and I'm happy with that. Okay, we are just generating buy sell liquidity, which mean that's magnet for the price. I'm still waiting for price to 100 sell side liquidity. Okay, we 100 sell side liquidity. 100 sell side liquidity. Did we ended up made any FEG? Okay, we just made FEG right here. So basically, 4 reasons were completed. We hunt liquidity, we generate liquidity. Okay, and right now we just completed the market maker sell model curve. Okay, this external sell side liquidity. We just completed the market maker sell model curve. Okay, we have generated buy side liquidity. Then right now, if I got confirmation, just ran through bullish inefficiency, then I'm going to target that opposing buy side or sell side liquidity. In this case, we have opposing buy side liquidity. Same, same guys, same. Right here on the 4 hour, we just catch this move just because on the 4 hour we just ran through that bullish inefficiency. Sweep out buy side liquidity, ran through bullish inefficiency, again going to target all that sell side liquidity. Same thing, what I'm doing on the 1 minute. Holy shit. Same thing, we just hunt sell side liquidity, completed the market maker sell model, generating liquidity. If price ran through this bullish inefficiency, I'm slapping longs. Okay, then I was like, okay, and I was like, the time I was just waiting, and on the 1 minute price showing me like rejection through that level. Then I shift to the 2 minute time frame. Then 2 minute actually showing me, okay, this actually textbook model, guys. We came down, sweep out the sell side liquidity, ran through bullish inefficiency. Okay, we just ran through that fucking bullish inefficiency. What I'm going to do? I'm just slapping longs right here. Oh. SL stop loss at this kind of low, target 1-1. Okay, yeah, it was pretty much it, just because I was entering right here. That's okay, done for me. We just ran through completely market maker. Okay, completely A plus setup, and although we have SMT at the low. Yeah, right from here. We actually have SMT at the low just because ES unable to sweep that lows and NQ took that lows. So again, one more bullish confirmation for me. Like looking longs, and okay, 4 minutes into the market open, we are done for the day. I just target my buy side liquidity and market came down, start accumulating right there. I was done. I am done, guys. I'm done. As a trader, we only need piece of pie. People like so much. Why you are so much greedy? Just because every time you focus on making PNL green, making more money through the trading. Trading is work of doing less. It's art of doing nothing. This is, I think, second trade of my December, and I was up around $1,000 on my 500 account, 200 on each. And I love trading so much. Just because 4 minutes into the market open, I was just sitting patiently, and it's like 9th of December. First trade on my funded account in December, I was up around $1,000. This is how patience look like. This is how discipline look like. Do not be over greedy and like, oh, all the way. Okay, if we have generated buy side liquidity also, Pranshu, why you're just targeting this buy side? Just because we also have this buy side liquidity right here, this buy side and all that, this buy side, guys, or whatever. Because always remember the four reason why market move. We just move to rebalance to equilibrium, where equilibrium is resting just above that buy side liquidity. Then there is no ways to me to target that external, that buy side liquidity. Just rebalance to equilibrium, I am done. We have equal highs, I am done, guys, I am done. I don't want nothing more than that. And this is how we go on. Market is accumulating. I think this is the best move we can possibly take this morning. And if you miss this move, do not be worried, do not be like self-doubt and be hurt. More come every day, every morning we have another opportunity. Just be patient and being patient and wait for your setup, guys. And one more thing I'm going to tell you, like, people on the internet, guys, blaming December PA. I think there is nothing wrong in December. Just the psychology of like, okay, December PA is shitty. The weak people, and I think that the weak people complaining about the PA, and the smart. Uh, and one more thing I want to tell you guys, a lot of people on the internet just blaming that December PA sucks, December PA sucks. I think there is nothing wrong in the December PA. If your setup present there, go take that. If setup wasn't present there, go learn from market every day, guys. Learn from the market every day. It's just you blaming on that. Okay, you heard somewhere on the internet, oh, December PA sucks. December PA is not good, is not efficient. Doesn't mean we don't get W's for the day. I got this W, and I didn't got any loss from the last 2 months. I think this is how patience look like. December, if P is not efficient, guys, wait for your setup, looking for your edge, making discipline. It's time to make discipline. If your setup wasn't present there, if market doesn't present your setup, then do not take that fucking setup. It's all it. It is what it is. Focus on high quality setup. Focus on making your discipline, making your conviction better every day. And do not feel bad if you miss this trade, if you get out at break even, as we have abundant of opportunity, I'm saying every time. And yeah, it is pretty much it. If you like this video, please leave a like, subscribe and comment on this video. And if you didn't join my Discord, I highly recommend you to join my Discord. It's completely free. I help you as much as I can. Everything is for free. Everything is for free. There is a lot of people bang on this street. So see you in the next one. Peace out.